Hey guys, wetin dey happen? God, I don't miss on Asha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, I never post anything since guys last year. B plus school worker, school struggle and everything. But we thank God say we still dey alive. Welcome to 2023. So oh God, my body just dey sweet me, anyhow, Asha. Anyways, if you dey see my video for the very first time, my name now Onomi Ogenekewe, aka Money Woman, aka Businesswoman, aka Soft Heavenly Race, Soft Eternity. You know what we do, yeah? I'm a graphic designer, I'm a caterer, I am everything you can think of. Just give me the job description, I do the job. So just enjoy this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you, I appreciate you. Welcome to 2023. Okay guys, so today we are making stew. So the first thing I did was to boil my tomatoes, and over here I have my chicken cooking. So just enjoy. Okay, our tomato is cooked, so I'm just gonna run. Ooh, look at that thing. I'm gonna run cold water over it so that it gets cold. I don't want to blend it hot. But in the meantime, I'm gonna pick out my pepper, like remove the head, and my kids will soon be back from school. And then when they come back, it's be crying and shouting, hunger, hunger, hunger. So I'm gonna prep some potatoes for them, Irish potatoes. Catch you all later. Okay, this looks cooked. Okay, so I am done. I'm done chopping my potato. If your children don't like potato, check out. You're making it in a boring way. Make it interesting. Look at the shape of this. This is like big, like the wheat. Is it the wheat? Not be the size. I have like slim over here, just straight. Then over here I have like wavy, very tiny. I have like cubes over here, and I have like circles and cubes over here. Please make interesting food for your children. Very necessary. Okay, tomato has cooled down, so it's time to blend. Add your vegetable oil into your pot. I like to fry my blended pepper first, so and just allow it to cook for a bit. So I have blended pepper here with onion. You can add ginger and garlic if you like, but I don't have ginger and garlic here because I don't have at home. So I'm just gonna put pepper. Okay, that looks good. So stir for a bit. Just stir it for a bit and allow it to cook. Okay, while the pepper is cooking, I'm just gonna blend the tomato. Alright, okay, the pepper looks good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add my blended tomato. Oh my God, that's hot. Look at how thick the tomato is. So when you boil your tomato before blending, it usually comes out very thick. Cinnamon, thyme, curry, salt. Yep. Look at this beauty. It's not cooked yet. We are almost there. Okay, let's start it. Instead you. Very thick. That's okay. Ooh, yeah. Baby, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Don't put your hand. That? It's potato.
And he's looking at it.
Yes.
Did you my
Don't know. Don't know whether these children are drinking this ketchup. Ogbeni, come and eat your food. I've added ketchup for you. Come and eat. Abina, come eat. Na English harder.